Hi everyone, welcome to Basic to Finance. Today I'm going to show you an easy step-to-step process on how to download Exodus Wallet application for your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to download Exodus Wallet application for your iPhone, then first make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you have a strong working internet connection, tap Open App Store. Tap the search button in the bottom right hand corner and this will bring up the search area. Type in Exodus in the search box and search. You'll be able to find an application displayed in the search result that says Exodus Crypto Bitcoin Wallet. You can easily send and receive and exchange your favorite cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and more with Exodus. You can easily manage your crypto securely on a blockchain wallet that puts you in control of your wealth completely. Tap the download button right next to the wallet to begin the downloading process on your iPhone. All you need to do now is to wait until the application gets downloaded, which is a quick process depending upon your internet speed. Soon after the app gets downloaded, you'll be able to see an open button popping up. Simply tap it on to launch the app open, and that means you have successfully downloaded Exodus application on your iPhone. Start off and get started with Exodus, or if you already have a wallet, you can tap on I already have a wallet button from the main interface and get started with Exodus Wallet. That is how you can easily download Exodus application on your iPhone. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.